Did you know that some ducks sleep with one eye open? Awesome, isn't it? Welcome back, let's start. The freckle-breasted woodpecker, Dendrocopos analis, is a species of bird in the family Picidae. It is found in Indonesia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. A medium-sized, pied woodpecker. Upperparts black, heavily barred white. Undertail red, breast and belly buff with light flank barring and slight side streaking. Withish cheeks partly bordered by black line. Crown red in male with orange forehead, black in female. Its natural habitats are subtropical or tropical dry forest, subtropical or tropical moist lowland forest, and subtropical or tropical moist montane forest. I am waiting for your next visit. See you soon, and take care of your family.